First
and furious.
No, first and second, last
foremost.
and ya kwanza. We thank Jaden Uhuru Kenyatta, JD.
Yeah, for opening.
For not wearing a check shirt.
Okay, can I speak?
Just spoke now.
We thank you, His Excellency, for opening few hours for us in the club.
And the hours is not enough for Konyagi.
What?
Because Konyagi has the burning in the mouth.
What are you trying to bring?
And
ni kitu gani unataka kuleta nyumbani?
I'm trying to say the hours is not enough.
Hours. Okay. Oh yeah, we're talking about the hours.
You are still not drinking and drunk.
Okay. And alcohol or like with whiskey like Konyagi, you cannot take it very chap. Very chap. Yes.
It has some burning in the limb. It has some
burning in the limbs.
Yes.
That can cause swallowing of
the limbs.
Muscle.
As a doctor, the swallowing. As a doctor, as the name of the swallowing of the Konyagi and of the curfew of the 10 p.m.
is very close.
Of the curfew of the corona of the COVID. It's not enough, Mr. Jaden.
Unajua hata vile tunaongea tunakaa tu tumelewa yenyewe.
Wewe ndo umelewa bwana. Mimi nimekula tu ndo umana avocado. So Jaden at 10 even Ajawa is not in the house.
Yes.
Musa Jakadala will not be in the house at 10.
But actually we just have to thank His Excellency for this small hours because Ajawa is now going to take place in Donholm.
Ajawa is no longer
in Donholm, in Nairobi Donholm on 4th of Sunday. We will have the
Opija is the Emma.
The president of Ajawa
is the Opija is the Emma.
We are going to have the president of Ajawa in Nairobi on 4th, Benelix. The president of the Ajawas is called Emma Jalamo.
Your Kisongo should be smart. Let me spoke to the listeners and to the wasikilizaji.
Yeah.
The Opija is the Emma, is the chief, is the king, is the Hangla.
Chief executive.
Is the Hangla is the Tibim. Is the Tudum.
Is not even what
so
go back to your.
So I cannot dance Ajawa at daytime because there will be some. Are you getting what I'm saying?
You are talking about the two thieves.
The two thieves
of the ladies.
So the two thieves
of the ladies.
You cannot crucify the two thieves at day.
Yeah,
and
crucifixion must take place during nighttime.
During nighttime.
Yeah,
exactly.
And that's why when the crucifixion of Golgotha was done, the earth came black.
And when Ajawa is at day, and the two thieves. The two thieves is at Donholm as the king beating the Angla.
Yeah.
And as you are as a drunkard as Konyagi, you can't come and crucify the thief and the Golgotha.
Because the thief will run away because it's Mchana.
It is Mchana and the people are sewing her. Okay, and she's now afraid of the what?
Freno.
Basically, Jaden, this pandemic must stop.
Very early.
Not very early. Today, pandemic must stop.
Yes.
Because we need to dance at night.
There is some obligatories that we
There is some. Korogiri.